Hello, Trashidale to everyone. Welcome back learning basic reading Tibetan language. Today we're going to learn kinds of birds. Tap chak ki rik. Ao tapa tap. Cha ka sa chak. Tap chak. Ka eta kya kyugu ki. Ra kyugu rik ka sa rik. Tap chakki rik. Kinds of birds. Tapchak. So here is tapchak is referring to all kinds of birds. But the bird itself called different, but it's tapchak. Tapchak is referring to kind of family. So that is interesting, tapchak. But literally, the bird has a different name. It will come later. So in this case, when we describing with the kinds of bird, so this is the word used, tapchak. Ki is of, rik is kinds. Okay, let's start. So now you can see here, paeta cha, cha, paeta cha kiguchi, a shabyu hu, jiu. Paeta cha manaru mo, jamo. Paeta cha panaru po, japo. A shabyu ka ukpa, ukpa. Paeta cha ra naru ro ka rok, charok. Na dingbo ne za naru zo, ne zo. Paeta cha ra gata ga naru go ta ge, cha ge. Pa shabyu pu ka puk, ra naru ro na rin, puk rin. Paeta cha, sorry, I got it wrong. Ra mata ma, paeta cha, ma cha. Paeta cha, kaeta kya shabyu kyu nga kyung, cha kyung. Nga ngang, pa ngang pa. Cha, jiu, jamo, japo, ukpa, charok, nezo, chage, pukren, ma cha, cha kyung, ngang pa. Okay, cha, jiu is the same. It's gonna bird. So I told you before, it's tapchak. It's kind of referring to referring to anything that has wings. Tapchak. So it's literally the bird is called cha or chiu. Okay, jamo, hen. Japo, cock. Ukpa, owl. Jarok, crow. Nezo, parrot. Jagwe, vulture. So this one you might see in Heart Sutra, Jage, Pungburi. Jage, Pungburi, in the Heart Sutra is called Jage. Pungburi means called in Heart Sutra is the vulture peak. The vulture peak is where Buddha give teachings. So called Jage, Pungburi. Many people know that one. And in English called the vulture peak. but here is jage is vulture. Pukren, pigeon. Ma-ja, peacock. Cha-kyung, eagle. Ngangpa, duck. Okay, so this is all for today. So you can see a link below this video. Click on the link and download PDF file. Enjoy learning basic reading Tibetan language. See you later. Bye for now.